Good morning, everybody. Good morning. Let's get right to it and discuss the market for today. Let's get right to it, guys. Welcome to our daily live streaming. If you're new here, we always do our daily live streaming 30 minutes before the market open. So hit the like and subscribe because we always discuss the market day trade, swing trade. We discuss everything. We reply on your questions. And of course, we discuss the main watch list, the main stocks that have major news, and the most volatile ones in order to make some money. So let's get right to it, guys. And remember, our content here for educational purposes only. Always do your due diligence before you put your money on the line. So, who's ready? Who's ready for today? I'm always ready, guys. If you're ready, I'm ready. So, welcome everybody. Welcome to the hunt of the day. We'll see if we're gonna have a green, some green day. APLD looking interesting here. Okay, welcome, welcome everybody. So for today we got BATL, guys, which hit our profit taken already around the $6.80. We got BNAI reverse and hit our profit taken around the 670.67. CXAI, it pulled back. This one we didn't discuss it because I don't like the short that much. OBTT might be good to watch after we break the 62 at the market open. Those the main four stock. I will double check if we got new ones and add them to the list. Yes, we got few. MTEN, I think got reverse split. PCLA, GRI, CISS, LRHC. All of them just came right now. BATL, BNAI, we got NIVF, all of them, GXAI. So all those stocks just came right now, guys. The market was really slow early on. Now it's kind of on cocaine. Interesting. Some stocks just came again from last week, like NAM. Interesting. So NAM, we got a nice reversal here. It tested the resistance around the $4.45. Yeah, this one might go up at least toward the 520. Yes. EVTV jumping as well, but I think it did a really good jump, but I don't trust it here because it got shorted right around the resistance, which is around $3.36, and now it's kind of flushing down, but it's not completely bad. MVVE jumped a lot, but it pulled back a lot as well. Got shorted big time now. Around the 452, there's a big seller there. So NVVE, I'm gonna put it on the waiting list. The other one we got here, GXAI, I think from the last week. Yeah, this one might be great if we broke the 250. For now, it's pulling back down. $86%, not bad. Yeah, not completely bad. Might be the one to watch as well. NIVF, nope. This one had reverse split, but I don't like this gap. Maybe I will put it on waiting list as well if we pull back for a dip reversal. Yeah, I don't like it, so I'm gonna take it from the list. EVTV, the same, I'm gonna put it on the waiting list. Now might be great. GXII, the same. LRHC, I think is, yeah, reverse split, so I'm gonna take it from the list. CISS, no good, I think it's reverse split and offering, so I'm gonna pass. GRI, the same, reverse split, not good. MTEN, the same. So I'm gonna put this one, number one, BATL. After that, this one, which jumped big time, BNAI, looking fantastic. This is the second stock to watch. Yeah, gonna put it second. The other one, yeah, this one, OPTT, looking interesting. If it held over the current support here, the 57. We got GXAI and yes, those the main stocks, guys. We got five of them, or five of them, both of them. How everybody doing? A lot of stocks are getting reverse split today. So don't be confused, guys, by the list of the stocks is jumping 13,000, 2,000. All this is just reverse split, not real percentage gain. Just as a reminder, if you new on trading, those stocks are not the real stock. We got SXTB. It might be great for buying the dip because pullback 24%, but already reversed. Yeah, the market maker were ready to buy the dip on this one. Oh, we have to discuss, guys, Intel, because after the earnings pulled back a lot, so there's a chance for a dip reversal. APLD, one of the top stocks last week, did 8%, now 2%. Yeah, APLD looking interesting, guys. It did a really great reversal, for my opinion. Good morning, David. NAM in EVTV. Already discussed them here on the live streaming. I don't know if you watching the live streaming. I will just do it again for you if you want. INTC, guys, is still pulling back. It's getting near an interesting bottom here. If we don't hold here, guys, we might have another dip around the 43.50. The next dip for INTC, guys, is around the 41 and the 39. Now it's 2% down. I will be interested to buy a dip around the 41 and 39, guys. Will be really juicy reversal, guys. Pretty nice reversal if we win there. Because yeah, we have a free falling. The price is free falling. The major seller came around the 48. So yeah, the now is around the 44. So if we dipped more, let's say 7% or 13%, it would be great. So 7 and 14% would be perfect for a dip. But if we held the 43.80, we might have a huge reversal. So watch out. B, the same. I'm watching for a dip. APLD is back to pull back at the market open, guys. ABLD, we might have a FOMO buying, testing maybe the 39, then flashing down at least around the 36. Already put alert just in case if we have this scenario, if we pull back for APLD. Going back. NAM looking great, as we said, guys. NAM looking all right. David, let me know if you watch our live streaming. Otherwise, if you don't reply, it's mean you didn't. So I will put a shot for you here. Remember, guys, you can have request any stock and at any moment during the live streaming or during the market open once you be a member on the elite level on Patreon. The link in comment section below where you could actually join our Patreon and then you can have access to our Discord. So right now, NAM, David, one of our elite member, asked about NAM, if it's good. Yes, it's good, as long as we hold the 385 and break the 448. So you see here, we have first support. We have a really good reversal today. And the second support, 345. Current profit taken, 519, the first one. And the current resistance at the moment already tested around 455, yes. Lowering the profit taken a little bit here around the 515 something. Yeah, current resistance right now is here around the 455. So we have 515 as a profit taken if we broke this level. NAM is good. EVTV is not that good for now. Yeah, EVTV is a bit risky. Yeah, it's a little bit riskier than NAM. a little bit riskier. But if it held the first support, the 255 would be great. So watch out just for the 255. If we held it, would be great for reversal. Otherwise, I don't like it. Yeah, NVVE, no good. Pump and dump. This one, yeah, is a bit bad. BGL, not that good. IBRX is kind of slow here. SXTB could be good if we broke the 360, yes. So yeah, as we said, BATL, it was really great today because we did two updates. First on the Hunter requested stocks, or the update that we do in the video as usual. This one, BATL, was on the early pre-market update, 1 hour after the market open, or the pre-market open, we do update here. And after that, we did the update again for BATL and BNAI. As you see here, we said the 675 is the resistant on profit taken, which we tested twice, you see. And it was good for entry here around the 490 and taking profit here. And now we might have another jump toward the 9. BNAI, it was on our list as well here. As you can see, we got two. BNAI, we set the 8168 and support 51. And as you see, we had a nice reversal here over the 50, and we hit the 67. And now we waiting for the market open to break the 67.76 to go toward the 81 and 100. Otherwise, we might watch for a dip. NAM, guys, is breaking out right now from the 455, which is the current resistance. Great jump for NAM before the market opened by a few minutes. I will adjust the level of resistance now for NAM around 480. And profit taken now is around the 515 and 567. And current support now is around 399. Yeah, those the new levels for NAM. Current resistance now is here around the 479. Gonna update the level for David. Let us double check if we have a new unicorn, BNRG, I think reversed it. Yeah, BNRG, I will just double check, but I know it is BNRG, just reversed it. Yes, it's not good at all. So yeah, NAM's good. GXAI is a bit risky and slow. Around the 218, we should break the 218 to go up. OBTT, it got shorted just around the 62, so we need to break the 62 to go up. Otherwise, we're gonna pull back toward the 55. Let's check Intel. Yeah, INTC 2% down. Expect a reversal up, guys, for Intel. If we held the 43 for today, would be great. Let's see how much we can pull back here. 1%. Otherwise, we might pull back another 5%. We'll see. B, the same. APLD is just jumping before the market open. Watch out, guys. I expect a pullback for APLD because it's kind of FOMO right now. We got FOMO buying for APLD, so it's kind of hyperinflated at this price. INTC. I'm gonna put 3 stocks to swing. INTC looking really juicy, guys, because kind of hit a major bottom here. So today at the market open, if we reverse, we might have a reversal of 5%. Good morning. Let's get right to it, guys. Let's see if we're gonna reverse for Intel. Okay, Intel's going down. Yeah, watching Intel closely, guys. We might have a reversal here if we hold the 43. Otherwise, I will watch for a dip. You see, APLD is pulling back. Okay, we got some buying pressure for Intel. We'll see if we reverse. BATL, guys, trying to break the level here. Good morning, guys. Don't forget to hit the like button on the way in. Let's go. Good morning, everybody. Good morning. Let's see. Good morning. FFAI, Copter 96. I will check later. ALT, Neo, BA, Beyond Meat. Good morning, Karina. Good morning, Ash. John, good morning or good afternoon. Okay, BNAI guys is pulling back down, so it's not ready to go up. BATL, the same, got shorted a bit. NAM is broke out, is going really good, guys. NAM have a huge seller right now around the 512. I think it's got halted now. Yeah, it's got halted. GXAI broke the support. OPTT, no, okay, OBTT I think is broke out, guys. Broke out from the resistance around 62. So NAM and OBTT are the best for now. NAM and OBTT are the best. NAM have a resistance on profit taken around the 512. And one of our hunter already asked us about NAM, and we already update him before the market open. It was a really great hunt for NAM. APLD, unusual, guys. I don't expect this huge jump for APLD, so it's gone. I will not touch it here. It's too risky. Too risky for me to trade the APLD. B start to reverse a little bit. Intel, guys, is still weak here. Yeah, really weak. There is no reversal even now. This is madness. What's going on with Intel, guys? There's no interest from buyers yet. Yeah, there is no interest. None soever. I think we got a big seller today to break around the 44.51. Yeah, they still selling. They still selling Intel, guys. So it's too risky here. Yeah, I think the seller is around the 44.74. GXAI is going up as well. BNAI, on the other hand, it pulled back a lot toward the bottom. OBTT hit the resistance now around 70 cents. Adjusting the support for it around the 58. NAM still halted, guys, around the almost the 5. Okay, NTC, Intel, not good anymore, man. Yeah, not good. Holy baloney. Are you kidding me, man? Are you kidding me? Intel Y is still going down. There is no buyers. Holy moly. Holy moly. There is no buyers. No buyers, man. I think the short seller having fun shorting Intel to the bottom. Oh la 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 la. Anyway, to the bottom it is. Okay, done. We got three stocks for done. I will check them a little bit. Anyway, as we said, guys, NAM is still kind of yeah, OBTT and NAM. NAM has got shorted right now, just around the $5. Did a really good job of jumping. OBTT already hit our resistance, now it's pulling back. BATL didn't break the 680 yet. BNAI pulled back down. GXAI, nothing much. Yeah, it reversed from the support, so it's good. QCLS, we got some support, brother, around the 513, and the other support is around the 4. So if we held those two levels, it might go up at least here. But it's not that good, man. I don't like it that much. And the GXAI, we have a support around the 169. Yeah, 169 is the, yeah, 169 is the support for it, and resistance 216, and profit taken and 250. However, if we broke the 169, we have the 124 as a bottom. And AI. For AI, done. We got, let's see, I put it on the waiting list, I think. Let's see. Again, this one I don't like that much as well because it got shorted below the 360. Now have a bottom around the 270. So if we broke the 270, it's not good anymore. So watch out this one. I think the short seller just added their position around 316. So wait for a breakout from the $3.16 for Inchy and exit around the 350. Otherwise, it's too risky to buy now because we might flush below the 270. Did you hear me, Dant? Unbelievable. ABLD, just unbelievable. Karina, where did you hear this? Pulling back toward the 86. Why the 86? We said the 90 and the 80 cent, I think. Now is around the 88. So it broke the 90. So it might pull back toward the 81 because this is the support now. Anyway, so now I'm got halted again, I think. Let's check. No, it's not halted now. It got halted just at the market open. Let us just check the number one stocks for today. GXAI, OPTT, NAM, EVTV, nope. So let us check the stocks that have been halted. Yeah, we got BNAI, NAM, BNAI twice. But yeah, all of them resumed. So technically, we don't have any stocks been halted right now. Okay, NAM is breaking out again. Want to go toward the 560. QCLS, I don't like it that much. OPTT still pulling back. We got kind of a fake out here around the 70. So OPTT, not my cup of tea anymore. So yeah, number one right now is NAM. I think it's halted now. After the breakout, guys. You see what's going on? We just got halted after the breakout. Exactly. NAM got halted with LUDP, volatility halt. Just right on the breakouts. You see, the breakout was around the 5, or the resistance was around the 5. So now the resistance turned around the 516. Yeah, we have a bit of resistance around the 5,716. Current support now, I'm gonna change it toward the 420. Yeah, INTC is still flashing. B is still going up. Yeah, did the really good reversal B. ABLD is going down a little bit. Yeah, we got a bit of resistance for B right now around the 148. GXAI pulled back from the resistance around the 216. BNAI, yeah, it pulled back a lot. So it's too risky here. Maybe we'll reverse. The same for GXAI. But the main ones is BATL and NAM. NAM is the only one that did really great today. Anyway, so APLD, I think we got major news about 4 days ago. NTC is still going lower and lower. Watching for another dip for Intel guys today toward maybe the 41 and then the 39. Yeah, we expect a reversal soon for APLD. As we said, we got a huge pump before the earnings. We did almost 60%, so now it's correcting. Yeah, correcting down. BATL, guys, we didn't break the 680 now. So we might have a pullback for it around the 490. For NAM, on the other hand, 64%, 65. Yeah, it tested the resistance, guys. So for now, we should, if we have a pullback, I will wait for a pullback around the 419. Otherwise, we might have a breakout now and go toward the 567. Yes. This is the next level for NAM. Intel, still nothing. B, we want a pullback here. The same for APLD. BATL pulling back a lot. Watch out. So the main gainer for today is NAM, guys. The best play for today is NAM. GXAI broke the support. BNAI is getting near a new support. And I think I'm gonna lower the seller place just there. OBTT, not my cup of tea. EVTV, no good as well. CXAI, pull back a lot, take it from the list. Lowering this one down. Yeah, we might have a pullback market now, except for NAM, which as well is getting near a strong resistance. And so I will update the levels right now on the stream. If you're watching, man, if you're watching, I will update the stream again. So do you watch the stream or not? If you don't, let me know. If you don't, let me know. So yeah, NAM, we might have a pullback before the resistance. Yeah, I think we got some news that affect the price for Beyond Meat. Okay, so this one for ARI, QCLS. Don't like QCLS. Okay, let us discuss now. Yeah, Beyond Meat might be good to watch Beyond Meat. Nam is pulling back, guys. BATL the same. So what's going on with Beyond Meat? We have some news that might affect the price to go down almost 3% right now. So where's the new dip for the reversal triggered? So we might trigger the reversal or the squeeze from the bottom, not from the upside. So sometimes we have two options. Either we squeeze up once we break the resistance, or we squeeze down when we hit a price value where the market maker see is the discount price for the stock. So right now, guys, before we go further, remember our content here for educational purposes. So what's going on with Beyond Meat? First of all, we got some kind of news affect the price about Beyond Meat, which is allegedly canceling need for a big write down. We got this is just 10 minutes ago. Right after the market opened, and now is pulling back almost 3%. However, we got an interesting bottom now that we might visit, because last time, if you remember, guys, we got a test for Beyond Meat where we triggered a squeeze from below here back in November last year. We tested the 80 and then we squeezed almost 100% because we hit the price value for Beyond Meat. This price might be tested again because we tested again around the first of this year and we reversed as well 30% until the $1. So now we might test it again around the 80 cents, guys. This is psychological level and where the market maker added their position twice last year and this year and the beginning of this year. So what we should expect and what we should see this time. So the price, if it continue to go down, we should hold over the 80 in order to have a reversal. And this time, if we need or confirm that Beyond Meat is on the right track to squeeze up this time, we have to break the 109 this time. Not like this. If we go down and we don't have any reaction, even not going toward the 92, this means there is no interest from the market maker to buy, and the price might continue to go down this time around 66 cents, where the price value will be triggered for Beyond Meat and squeeze from the bottom. Let me just show you what's going on here, because if we pull back, we might have a 7% again, plus 2 is almost 9%. However, if we continue to go down, maybe 16, 17, or total almost 25%, this is where we're gonna hit the price value for Beyond Meat. I'm not saying that we're gonna dip right away or in one day. No, one day at a time, 2-3%, 2-3%. So we'll take a bit of time, as you can see here, consolidation until we trigger the market maker, and we might have even a gap the next day once we test the 66. But for now, as long as we hold the 80, is still there's a chance for a reversal up and squeeze early on. So this is depends on the fundamental, depends on the technical, depends on a lot of things. So we need everything match, fundamental, technical, news, everything at the same time once we hit the 80 or the 66. For now, we still not decided because the price is not flushing down. So the news is not that big of a deal, because if the like a news of bad news, like delisting or something like this, or FDA not approval, yeah, we're gonna have a huge gap down. But 2% is mean the news is not directly hitting Beyond Meat in the heart, but it's hitting in like in the foot. So consider this is even in for yourself. If you get hit in a foot, you can just move a little, you can run, but at least you're alive. Or you just cut even your leg and you have the other leg to just walk on. But if you get hit in the heart or in the head, game over. There is no even cure for that. The same for Beyond Meat. So this one is kind of a hit in the foot, and we're gonna confirm if we're gonna run again if we hit the 80 and we reverse from it in order to go to toward the $1.09, 125, and over the $1, which is psychological level right now for Beyond Meat to hit. for the beginning of this year, of course, because we still have a lot of time for this year to have a reversal. Okay, we have even the earning coming up at the end of this year, this month. Yeah, this is might change things a little bit. What else we got? Intel is still going down, everybody. Still going down. Yeah, I will be interested to buy if we still pulling back. I will be really down to buy around the two levels, 39 and 34. This would be interesting because right now, technically, Intel pulled back 20%. ALT, let me just check here. ALT. ALT is kind of shady right now. Got shorted around the 612, brother. Ash, if you can hear me, ALT got shorted around the 6. So it's kind of tricky right now. The 612 was a major resistance. Now it's pulling back toward the 4. So if we held the 4 would be great for a reversal. 478. 478 should be a good reversal zone. And the 612 is the major level of resistance right now because the shorts have added their position there. However, if we broke the 612, I have level that we might go to is around the 725. For now, is kind of shady. I will lower even the resistance around the 581 right now. Yeah, 581. It is the resistance for today at least. Yeah, or 580. And the current profit is around the 639 and after that 725. But yeah, we might have a pullback at least around this level. Give or take around the 472. It's still light on volume. B is still going up. APLD testing again the resistance. It want to go up. Okay, so this is it for now, guys. We're gonna do a major update later on Discord as usual. So stay tuned for that. I will do a major update for it. And Night Trader, why the market is red? And it's not totally red. It's just correcting, man. The market is red because it's correcting, but it's not totally red because B and APLD is in green. So it depends. The market is red for crypto stocks usually, big red. But if you see Palantir is not big red, it's just normal, just neutral. So it's not totally red. This is it for now, guys. Thank you for watching and see you a little bit later. Tomorrow, as usual, 30 minutes before the market open, I will discuss the market live 30 minutes before the market. Thank you for watching, guys, and